Hello and welcome back to me doing whatever I want. Today I decided to make some clothes, specifically a dress. The reason why is because I thought it would probably be the easiest thing to make. I thought before, maybe I'll make a shirt and like a full outfit, but a dress is just one piece, so I thought maybe it would be easier. Also, dresses are functional, versatile, stylish, comfortable. You can wear a dress in the winter, just put on some leggings and maybe a turtleneck, a sweater, a lot of layers, and then just throw a dress over it and it looks pretty good. In the spring, maybe the same thing but without any leggings and maybe just a light cardigan. In the summertime, just a dress. And ideally, you should be getting dresses that you can wear with tennis shoes, with sandals, with, fancy shoes. So it goes for every occasion. But anyway, that's why I love dresses so much. So today I decided to make my own. So I'm staying with my mom right now. She likes to make a lot of quilts and blankets and bags and stuff. But she has never taught me how to use a sewing machine. Actually, she told me, before you make this video, let me teach you how to use this. Okay, let's get started. Hi guys, so as you can see, my dress did not turn out exactly as I had planned, so I made some alterations and I ended up just turning it into a regular shirt. The bottom was just too tight and I couldn't really move, So this is also another project that I'm gonna have to try again. I'm really excited about it though because I really enjoy sewing. I had no idea. So here's what that shirt looks like. Ta-da! It's pretty nice. Quite like it. It's a nice fit, which is pretty good because I didn't measure anything. I like the strings in the back, good for getting all the neighborhood cats to follow me around. So I'd say for my first project, not so bad. Did not turn out how I wanted it to, but was not a complete failure. So this is a project that I do think beginners can do, as long as you just watch the YouTube video of how to use your sewing machine first. This one was definitely much easier than woodworking. I would advise people to try something like this first before they go full on. I think the most difficult thing for me was trying to do math. So as you were able to see, the bottom was too tight, so I cut a triangle out of it, and then I just slapped another triangle on there, which I thought would increase the volume, increase the butt space. I just eyeballed everything. If you want to save time and money, measure. But my shirt did come out pretty good. Maybe they got a little something to learn from me. This is also a very sustainable way to be fashionable, so if you are interested in sewing, then go for it. If you are a professional clothes maker, then please give me some tips or something. Always looking to improve. Alright, well, see you guys next time.